Indian President William Ruto pledged to build closer ties with China on Thursday, that is April 24, a day after saying a global trade war triggered by the Washington could deal a death blow to the current world order. Also, Mr. Ruto is on a 5-day visit to China, his third trip to Beijing since taking office in 2022. The visit comes at a time when both Kenya and China are seeking to expand ties amid a tariff fight between the Washington and Beijing. Kenya wants to learn from China's remarkable journey of transformation in governance, economic development and the global leadership, said Mr. Ruto. He thanked the Chinese leader, that is Xi Jinping, for tens of millions of dollars in support for the health, education and disaster relief, as well as for the planned construction of a new complex for the Kenya's Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Also, Mr. Ruto, an evangelical Christian from the modest background, was elected on the promises to help Kenya's poor in the country struggling with debt. Also, earlier in his presidency, Mr. Ruto favored the West and the United States over China, but as the US President Donald Trump pulls from the engagement with Africa and slaps high tariff on the trade partners, Mr. Ruto is making overtures to beginning of the Beijing relationship. Also, cracks emerge in the GOP unity amid the Trump's trade war. Mr. Xi told Mr. Ruto that China attaches great importance to China-Kenya relationship and that the Beijing would work with the Kenya to develop the unity and cooperation of the global south. Also, Mr. Xi is looking to shore up the partnership and find solutions for the high trade barrier that the United States has imposed on the Chinese export. Kenya is a key participant in the China's Belt and Road Initiative, the ambitious plan that aims to connect Africa, Asia and Europe through massive infrastructure and energy projects. China has funded billions of dollars worth of Kenyan roads and ports and railway that run from the coastal city of Mombasa through the capital Nairobi. Also, Donald Trump signals the China's tariff that will come down, says he won't fire federal chief. Also, during a keynote speech at the China's prestigious Peking University on the Wednesday, Mr. Ruto criticized the United Nations Security Council and the current world order, calling it broken, dysfunctional and no longer fit for purpose, and said that the tariff imposed by the Mr. Trump may be final death blow. Also, many African nations face uncertainty of the tariffs which threaten the key industries that export to the United States. The United States is one of the Kenya's largest export destination, while China is Kenya's top supplier.